Then we got Oppo A57 broken screen. I'm going to speed this a bit. We can see the back plastic. This is a plastic. It's a blue color, and the blue color it's on the back. The plastic is separate from that color. That's happened with the customer and not with me. I told him when I open the pack, the shape will be different than before. So you have to tell the customer that before you can proceed with this. He may need to replace the back with a new one if he need it. But I told him that this is gonna be happened, and he told me that this is no matter for him. You can proceed and remove it and put it back as whatever the shape will be. Anyway, this is the information we told the customer, and we can now proceed. I'm using the alcohol to remove the adhesive, and this is a plastic piece to move and swipe all over the edges. The heating gun with the 150 Celsius to remove and make the adhesive very soft, so I can remove the back easily. There is no flex cables connected to the fingerprint sensor, so you can proceed without making any risk, but you don't need to put that plastic in the middle of the phone. We have flex cables from the top to the middle in the middle area. So just keep pushing all over the edges. Don't go too far. Alright, this is what you have to do. I'm scratching the adhesive with the knife. It takes a long time to do that. Anyway, we're almost finished. Alright. Alright, I'm looking for the screws. We have screws under this plate. It's a plate. I don't think it's a plate. It's a shield, plastic shield for the cameras. I think it's there with adhesive. So I'm going to use the heating to make the adhesive soft so I can remove it and remove the screws under it. I can't remove the frame without removing this one or the housing. I can't remove the housing without this one. Replacing a new LCD, it's a medium job to do. You need to know some knowledge about how to tear down, how to assemble, to sort the screws, to connect. It's not an easy job to do, so you need to know some information to do that job. Otherwise, you can't proceed with this repair. You may make some mistakes, so you have to be always patient while you are doing the job, so we don't need to make any faults. The faults can cost some money, so the job you are doing, it could be worthless. So this is very important to know and very important to do. This phone is my first time I'm open it. You can see I'm very patient with this device. Alright, the camera housing has been removed. I'm looking if there is any screw with this camera shield, but there is no screw. It's all under that camera. Remove all the screw now. So after that we can remove the housing. Alright, this is all we have to do to reach the screen. You have to remove the SIM card tray to remove the housing, otherwise you will damage the SIM card connectors. Now you can detach the housing from the frame, but there is a fingerprint flex cable sensor to remove it before you do that, so be careful. Look where is the direction of that flex cable. Unplug it and then you can continue. We don't need to cut or damage that flex cable. Alright, that flex cable is removed now. But seems we have a screw down. I didn't notice that. Let's remove it. Alright, we are done. The housing has been removed. Now you can unplug the battery. This is the screen connector. Unplug it. We are going to put the screen in here to test the screen before we are going and assemble it down. So you can connect this screen like me I'm doing right now before you assembling. Alright, plug the battery and power on the device and make the test. You can test to make sure all the areas is touching and there is no problem with the screen view. After that you can disassemble it and finish the job. Alright, everything was clear. Unplug the screen and let's do it. Alright, let's remove the battery, remove this green sticker and then push up. Alright, it's out. Now we are going to remove the screen. You can hit the screen with 230 degree to remove it. It's already broken, so we don't need it, but you have to be careful with your hands. We don't need to scratch your hands or injure your hands. Be careful. This tiny piece of glass could go under your skin. We need to make a gap. After that, we can remove the screen easily. I'm looking for a gap, but I can't find any gap. But I forgot where we have the broken screen at the bottom. See, I'm going there. The screen is already broken, so we don't need it. You see, it's very easy to remove the screen from any gap. But be careful with the glasses. Let's now remove the flex cable. Alright, we need to remove the flex cable to remove the screen. The screen now will be loose, so we can remove it. You can keep all the stickers, don't throw them, we need them, so let them there. We have the shield for the 8 speaker from the old screen. We have to take it back, so be careful. We need it. To make our job perfect, we need to clean all over the edges very well. So after that, we can put the new LCD. You have to clean with any tools you have, with the knife and with the alcohol. There should be no adhesive and no tiny glass. So be careful. If you didn't clean that, when you put the new LCD, it could be broke when you push it to the frame. So be careful and make the job very perfect. Alright, after we done, remove the stickers from the new screen and remove the other sticker. This sticker has adhesive. Now align the flex cable. Be careful how to align it. Alright, very careful. Don't damage the flex. After that, we can put the screen and test if everything is aligned to the frame or not. We need to make our job perfect. Alright, everything seems perfect. I'm going now to align it. Now we are ready to put the ear speaker shield. I put some glue to put it there. While I removing the ear speaker from the old screen, I broke the shield. So I'm going to put it two parts. This doesn't matter why it's two parts. You just need to put into place to protect the ear speaker, to prevent the dust and everything to leak into the ear speaker. Put all over the frame. You have to put a few glue. You don't have to put too much. Just all over the edges. Be careful not near the ear speaker and the camera and the sensor. This is the thing you have to be careful not to put near them. Be careful. Now you can bring the screen and put it there. Plug the screen cable and put everything as it was, and that's it. Our job has been done. All you have to do now is assemble back. Repeat after me and everything should be alright. put all the stickers as they was, and that's it. Anyway, I think everything has been told. If you have any questions, you can just leave it in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.